Are you walk around with it? Eh? Tell me now. Are you a walk around with it? Wait for a good man. And but you for a reduce man. Tell the people don't too fast nowadays, man. They them hard time, yeah. It's either or either, man. Awa? No. Every other day is I tell the people that open up. No. So
Welcome again, peeps. You know the style. Naturally, before we jump into everything, I gotta ask you to subscribe if you're new. Is it? So, me did do a video earlier. I did involve on the whole Epican thing, and me did ask some people to tell me if I own him own Epican or what. You see me? But the people them rectify and tell me say, yo, it's a video, which it makes sense, you see me? Cause me did a pray that to end of the day, is it? But true, I know the money and weed baby and him born in a riches. But I for pray a little bit higher, is it?
Professor, how is it going today, Prof?
It's very lovely. I'm here making strains, the brain. It's all good, buddy. Thank you very much.
Yo, the boy Aidonia that easy, you know. Anyways, people, so watch a pray. You see the Popcaan himself, you see me, if that went through graduation, you see pray. So basically, it's like him would want to say share the reason. Him start take music serious differently, but everybody have something we have done purposefully, you see me? Yeah, man. So that I wanna feel first motivation, you see it? I 8 band, so that look like a 6th grade graduation, you see it, people? So yeah, man, papi, look at that about to go high school, she get big pan him. Time fly fast, though. No, man, Popcaan, it's supposed to look good for watch you look at that from, look at toddler group, you know? A mad thing, man. You see me? So me and the now we wish you send blessings over there, you see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you look miraculous, man, G. Marvelous move. So the graduation go look like it did well. It well spent, you know? Yes, I hate, man. You know, say all, whenever I go mention that in another video, you see me? But up next we are going to talk about the Jada Kingdom, you see me? Twinkle herself, you see me? Yeah. So she then up join a live, dog, and me I tell her say, yo, I'll be a vibes, some Q&A shit.
BYEH, Best Ever Had. This is the title of my song off of my EP. So I can run go fast with that. Best Ever Had, BYEH. Yeah, some fans them where they run from day one, they don't know. Yeah. I want dance. You know, run go call TC. Where tell me one dance for? You tell me one dance for? Run go call TC. Look at dancer. Me look at dancer. No girl, keep your weight. It's fit about it. You may say one thing I'm not gonna tell me for doing my body. Are you walk on with it? Eh? Tell me now. Are you a walk on with it? Wait for a good man. And but you for a reduce man. Tell the people don't too fast nowadays, man. They them hard time, yeah. It's either or either, man. Awa? No. Every other day is I tell the people that open up. No. Some bottom for a reduce. Wait for go down a little bit, man. Lotion I done in space of 1 week. And them something there. Awa? No, sir. Me be the longest in the house. Me be the longest in the house. Cause we have too much creepers and corner. We are the man of the top now. Oh! Turn them life, yeah. Can't fight forever, so just so. You want to do a sign when you're done? No. No. Tell me. Anyway. Next question. No compare some mad theater. Be a man of the man, you have to question him. You have to be comfortable with yourself. First of all, there's always room for improvement. Make me do what I want with my body, cause trust me, I've been living in this body since forever. Yeah? So me know me I deal with. You understand? When I look on it and it's cute and no. It is a lot. Too much, man. So your full body, you know, go on Instagram, you know, the right list, so just go so soup up and go look. me for Papi show, eh? Take me for really Papi show. Imagine them with a big fake body then. To be honest, I have a thing against people who do them body, you know. Body have to do. But my thing is, you have to know your body. You understand? Like if you go do your bottom, like make sure the shape fit your body. Like, you know, fit your frame. You get what I say? Because some people want upper bottom and them leg shape like pear. It don't make sense if you have the upper leg them, the upper, you see me? You get what I say? If you don't have the upper leg them, then why you want upper bottom? It don't make no sense. You see me? You get what I say? So here what I got. Him love done me about my camera, you know. First of all, my camera is clean. Make sure before. Okay. Hold on, the gentle Jesus, and put on the film to the filter and not going to it. Wait, oh. Oh. Did you do a clean picture? Oh. Alright. Them and the apple hip. Why you want apple bottom? That's my thing, but people do what they want with them body. Anything, you get me? I'm not against that because I'm me said do body. Me said do body. Yeah, I'm natural and everything, but trust me. Every time I sit on my breast, they reach my navel. And forever, you know, I can't forever. Yeah, very soon I'm gonna do. I open my chest, listen. And I'm a chin, breast for there. So, I mean, said do always room for improvement, but I just say people just have to know them body, you know, them body type and them frame and whatever, and just know, say, if you can do your bottom, make sure them split right. Take it to me, say, but I make it look like cliff. You give it, but I want a cliff bottom. But I want a cliff bottom. Stop. Take it to me, say, and then. No, say no. No, say it. Next question. No, say it. Next question. Next question there, please. No, your breast okay. Can you see it in a brassiere or you see it in a top? Are you there? I want you. Talk now. Breast look like seesaw. One side up and one side down. Stop ramp with me. Me I tell you about my breast them. Them need to get did. Very much so. Nobody can tell me nothing. Can't tell me nay. Just look out for it. Probably after I have kids or something, but remember me the sister. Yeah, so when you see it do nobody ask. It do. It did. It done. Know that. Ramp with me. You want to seesaw breast? Seesaw breast. So seesaw breast I go. Stop ramp with me, yeah. One side up and down. That's what me I look like yo-yo. No, stop. Bye. Any new singles are colored? Yes, new music of flower. I'm so excited, but as I say, when I look out for the day when I say, yo, when I run go over the page and go ask them what I want for the music. I don't know what am I dealing, so hold on. Management, I will on the thing, but I could say, I feel good cause I don't know Corona and everything, so but for mine know where I drop music and stuff. You know? We just watch everybody move and see what everybody I deal with first. You see me? So you know say remember say the music industry come like chasing. You see me? So my play man. Just go and clutch a little bit and you know stand cool and simmer. Yeah, nobody don't wanna see breast straight. Yes, so you hear it first. Watch out. You're using your ear. Do to oh. Oh look, a $10 Jerry curl. Wait, Neil. You know the Jerry curl gel lamp? I'm gonna use a curl sponge and just rub it up like so. Cause I have 4C here, you know. That's what them call it. Anyway. So that's how I'm doing. Just rub it up like so, my love, and it just stands so. So now I grow it out a little bit for at least make it have little grip so I can put in some braid because They put on a lock wig, them man, and trust me. Could I sleep? Let me keep go a little bit. I go so blue, you see me? Reach the goal where it can braid a little bit. Take 3 picture and just trim again. You know me how? Just for say me braid it. Yes man, from outside my ear in a braid. Can't go on like so. Go out the skincare routine. What you say? I feel some have on, mama. Mama, a filter. I'm not tell you say today's a day with them not done me in here. Whip out the filter quick fast. Boom boom. Know me who? I'm with me. You know, reach a point when I care, but sometimes I can prevent certain things, you know? Prevent certain things sometimes. That I always tell people. Sometimes I can really prevent certain things. I want me to have that conversation I will. I think one girl DM me a couple months ago or whatever. So a couple months she DM me and still she asked me, oh, when I started swimsuit them and things. Some say soon they don't know Corona slope everything and I really just me, you see me? People are working on the thing and Corona slope certain process. Anyway, now, so she gonna say, yo, if I have like a extra large or something, some say, yeah, I have extra large size or whatever. I just say, one time she wore one small swimsuit and everybody had done her. Some say, well, you know why them are done it? Because the swimsuit small, so of course that gonna look weird. Like we as women, we need to wear a size sometime. You get to me and say? At the end of the day, we can prevent certain things, don't it? Talk truth.